Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how you can remove the invitation sent in Instagram. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app. Now, according to Instagram's latest updates or the new updates, every time you try to message someone new, when you send a new message to a new user that you haven't followed yet or they haven't followed you back yet, and you send the message, as you can see on the bottom of my screen, there is an invite sent, which means every time I try to message someone new, an invite will be sent to them, and once they accept this invite, then only we can freely message each other. Now, to avoid this, what you do is you simply either long press on this app, then tap on uninstall, and then go to your Google browser and then search for Instagram older version. Then download older version of Instagram where this update was not available. Or another alternative to solve this is to go to your Play Store and on the search bar type Instagram Lite. This is a version of Instagram that takes lower space. So what happens in this is that you do not send an invite to them. You can directly message the new user without there being an invitation sent. Another way for invitations not to be sent is if you're following this user or this user is following you back, then invitations will not be sent. And this is how you remove your invitation sent in Instagram, or how you avoid your invitation being sent in Instagram when you first message a new user. And that's how you remove invitation sent in Instagram when you first message a user. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.